Alrighty guys, real quick, I'm about to make a scrapyard run, guys. As y'all can see, got my little red Nissan truck now. It's not much, okay? In fact, very little indeed. I do, however, need the rear of my truck so I can load some things in here. Now, I supposed to be cleaning this truck up and making it a better truck. No more scraps, but I couldn't resist. And I couldn't just watch this stuff go to the dumpster, okay? Now, the thinking goes, don't nobody come around here anymore because this stuff don't pay nothing, all right? But to me, just throwing it away just don't sit right to, just putting it in the dumpster don't sit too right for me. If I can do, guys, think about it. This is a 93 model truck. All I got to do is pay liability insurance on it. I don't even have to get it tags and registered anymore. So if I can earn, what is liability, $25 a month, I think. If I can earn that, I'm sure I'm gonna get $100 or some with this, doing this. So, but if I can earn that, this truck is like free to operate at that point. This right here is gas money and the liability insurance on the truck. So, frankly, yeah, and it's not that much time. The place is right up the street. Look at this. I'm not dealing with nothing hardcore. So all I got to do is go to the small scale, throw this on the scale, they weigh it, and they give me my money, and that's that. I may walk away with $100 for this. Guess what? I can pay the liability insurance on it, and I can put some gas in it, and I can put some money, yeah, in here. Yeah, that could always use a little bit more green. So it's a win-win-win-win-win for me, as opposed to the opposite of them just simply throwing it away, because they don't pay that much anymore, so it's not lucrative to those guys anymore. But me, I'm greedy. Guys, let's go to the scrapyard and see what we can get. Alrighty guys, here we go. Widening recycler. I don't know the proper name of that, but only thing I hate about these places is I might bust a tire. Y'all know this is a low rider. I don't have a spare tire per se or a way to jack it up. So I hope like hell I don't catch a flat. But let's see how much money we can get out of this place, man. Yes, scraps rule. Junk rules. I love junk. Junk rules the world. Y'all stay tuned, man. JT, stop clowning around. Oh, yeah, look. Okay. Hold tight. All right, she gonna come around, survey my junk, see if she over there taking pictures. I think they do that for security reasons. Like I said, it's not much. Brothers Motors, I went over there and cleaned the whole garage out. Got all their scrap out of there. Now, as far as like people always say, how you get batteries? When you buy a battery, like my customers, they don't want their old battery back, and sometimes we have to return the old battery, but not all the time. Hey, all right. I don't have to get on the big scale, do I?
No, you have to go to the small scale.
Small scale, good. Yes. Just bag in right there?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Whew, good. I don't have to get on the big scale. Let's get it. Oh boy, what a beautiful day. There you go, they waited. How much was it? Y'all think I can get $100 out of all this? The battery's gonna add up. They kind of heavy. I'm going back to Brothers Motors. They got like a ton of batteries over there. I'm gonna grab all of those. I don't know what we're gonna do with these rotors, but I don't want them on my truck, so y'all stay tuned. Gate. Wow. Take it all. Man, y'all see them weights over there? I work out. I could use those weights. That's crazy. But I gotta get on the big scale for the rotors. I want those weights. I wonder how much they charge me. I wonder how much they charge me for them weights. I work out. Damn. All right, I gotta go to the big scale for the rotors, guys. Go straight to the. All right. Alrighty, guys. Looks like I gotta do a little leg work. I don't think the young lady saw the rotors, so she kind of let me down. All right, but I don't mind. Get on the scale. They're gonna weigh it. I'm gonna dump the rotors. I'm gonna get back on the scale. Then we're gonna go from there, and then I go get my money. Guys, let me tell you something. You cannot forget your ID. If not, you ain't getting nothing. These places are strict. Catalytic converters. Oh, they super strict. I want to see some super ID. They not trying to go down for no foolishness. All right, so come on, light, turn green so I can get out of here, man. Once it turns green, that means they weighed me, and then I shall proceed. Wow, look at all that junk over there. That caravan over there, man, I could have fixed that. Bet it's here for ticking. Yeah, I could have fixed that tick and I would have had another caravan, but no, they chose to scrap it. All right, guys, let me unload this stuff and I'll see y'all next time. I see y'all. We'll be counting some money. Oh, looking at a check. They don't give out cash no more. They give out checks, which is a good thing. And I don't even have to go to the bank. We so electronically advanced. My girl just take a picture of the check and it goes straight to my account. Wow, I ain't got to go to a bank or nothing. It is crazy how fancy we living now. All right, I gotta go. Stay tuned. Whoa! Look at all those hoods. Whoa! What the hell? Damn. All right, guys. Get these rotors out here. Look at all these damn rotors. I don't have nowhere near. Hey, that look like a brand new rotor right there. Wait a minute. Somebody done messed around and throw a brand new rotor out here. All right, guys. Let's go add up my money after I dump these off. All right, guys. Well. Hey, $211. Now, there's a few things that disturb me. All right, I'm almost out of time, but looking at this, I'm hanging on to my batteries, guys. I can simply take those to Advanced Auto and get the equivalent of $10 a piece. I did not get enough for the batteries. However, the radiators paid well and the rotors paid what I thought. That's all I have, man. I got to go. All money is good money. Alrighty, guys. I'm a little depressed, okay? This is one of those videos where, oh my goodness, I can't believe I did this. All right. No, I didn't break nothing or tab nothing or smash a transpan or anything like that. I merely forgot to do something. But what would you guys do? Okay, I got this thing. I'm almost done. My mind is right. I'm set to go. Like, yes, I'm almost finished with this book. And guys, I walk over here to grab something and I see this. Oh my freaking goodness. This stupid ass detonator, sound detonator, muffler, whatever. I don't even know what it really do, but it go right up under here under the intake manifold on bank 2. Oh my goodness. It sits right on top of the coils and oh. All right, guys, what would y'all do? Okay, now, is it needed? Now, normally, if this thing was brittle and coming apart in pieces and all that, no, I would gladly chunk it, but this is all in one piece. I'm like, y'all know how hard it is to take this intake off of? I'll show y'all an example of why covering the intake manifold up is so crucial, guys. Y'all see this? I'm getting ready to do oil filter adapter housing. Y'all see all that? Guys, do not take this plenum off. Do not take this intake manifold off yet. If you take this off, all this stuff gonna fall into those openings. Okay, yes, and that can get into your engine. All right, best thing to do, let's try to blow some of this off, guys. You should cover this up as well. So I gotta go in and do the oil filter adapter housing. So quite frankly, when I lift up on this, splash. All right, let me grab an air tube.